Welcome to Westmore Ltd. Manufacturer Conde Pumps. My name is Justin, and I'm going to show you how to find the serial number to be able to properly ID your pump. A serial number and a picture are the two most important ways for us to be able to identify what pump you have to get you the parts or the replacement pump that you need for your unit. The serial number will always be placed on the front of the foot at the vacuum side of the pump, or the front of the pump, or the inlet side of the pump. The inlet side of the pump, or the vacuum side of the pump, is the side that sucks air in. The pressure side of the pump is the side that pushes air out. Identify this so you can find that serial number, which is on the front of the foot at the inlet side of the pump. So when you call us, it is best to have your serial number written down and ready for us to be able to take that information from you. That is how we for sure can identify what pump you have. The second thing is always be ready to send us a picture of the pump and unit you have. Thank you. I'm Justin. See you in another video.